Motorhomes and millionaires have always shared a quiet understanding. When you reach a point in life where money stops being the main obstacle, what you start valuing most is freedom, privacy, and control. The ability to move without compromise. The ability to live comfortably without being tied to one place. And this two-floor luxury motorhome represents exactly that mindset. From the outside, this motorhome already feels different. It doesn't look playful or experimental. It looks architectural, confident, purpose-built. The tall structure hints immediately that this isn't a standard RV. It's designed vertically, intelligently using space rather than spreading it out unnecessarily. Large surfaces, clean lines, and balanced proportions give it the presence of a modern mobile residence rather than a recreational vehicle. What most people don't realize is how much engineering goes into a motorhome like this. A two-floor layout requires serious structural reinforcement. The chassis is designed to handle additional height without sacrificing stability. Advanced suspension systems absorb road imperfections so the interior remains calm even at highway speeds. Weight distribution is carefully calculated, ensuring that despite its size, the motorhome feels planted and controlled on the road. That's one of the biggest reasons high-end buyers are drawn to vehicles like this. The cockpit is designed as part of the living space, not a separate aggressive driving zone. Two captain seats face forward toward a sculpted dashboard, positioned comfortably rather than tightly. Everything feels intentional. The dashboard surfaces are soft to the touch, trims are subtle, and lighting is integrated seamlessly into the architecture. This isn't a racing cockpit. It's a place designed for long hours of calm, confident driving. Moving deeper into the main floor, the lounge area becomes the heart of daily life. This is where the motorhome's logic truly shines. The layout is compact and realistic. Seating is placed along the side wall, leaving a clear central walkway, so movement through the space always feels natural. Nothing blocks the entry. Nothing feels cramped. There's only one table, placed intentionally in front of the seating. A small flower vase sits on it, adding just enough life to the space without clutter. This isn't a show lounge. It's a space meant to be used. Soft lighting along ceiling edges and beneath furniture creates a cozy atmosphere, especially during evenings. The mood here is quiet, warm, and relaxed. Because this is a two-floor motorhome, a compact internal staircase becomes an important design element. Instead of feeling bulky or intrusive, the stairs are integrated smoothly along the wall. Soft lighting highlights each step, making them feel light and elegant rather than heavy. Adjacent to the lounge is the integrated kitchen and dining area, designed as a single efficient zone. Everything runs along one wall to preserve openness. The galley kitchen features clean cabinetry, a realistic induction cooktop, a compact sink, and concealed storage. Under-cabinet lighting softly illuminates the countertop, making the space functional without harsh brightness. Built directly into the kitchen wall is a fold-down dining shelf. This acts as the only table surface in the area, keeping the layout minimal and logical. Two compact stools fit neatly underneath, maintaining a clear walking path when not in use. Again, a single small flower vase adds warmth without unnecessary decoration. This setup reflects real motorhome living. Efficient, flexible, and thoughtfully designed. One of the most impressive spaces in this motorhome is the executive office, located in a quieter zone. This isn't a corporate workstation. It's a personal thinking space. A slim wall-mounted desk supports a single laptop. A coffee mug, a notebook, and a pencil sit neatly on the surface. Open shelves hold books, adding personality and depth. Soft underdesk lighting gently illuminates the floor, while warm ambient lighting keeps the space calm and focused. This is where planning happens, where ideas form, where work feels controlled rather than overwhelming. Moving upstairs, the upper floor shifts the motorhome's energy entirely. This level is dedicated to rest, privacy, and wellness. The transition up the stairs feels natural, not abrupt. Lighting remains consistent, maintaining the same calm atmosphere found downstairs. The bedroom is designed to feel intimate and comfortable. The bed is neatly made, framed by soft upholstered surfaces. Side tables sit on both sides of the bed, adding balance and usability. One holds a warm, glowing lamp, while the other features a minimal decorative element, keeping the space clean and uncluttered. Curtains soften the blacked-out windows, reinforcing privacy and calm. Underbed lighting creates a subtle floating effect, making the room feel lighter and more spacious. The ceiling design remains solid and architectural, with no windows or skylights. Lighting is integrated into the structure, creating a warm glow that wraps the space gently. This bedroom doesn't feel like a hotel room. It feels personal, safe, quiet, a place designed for rest rather than display. The bathroom continues the same philosophy: compact, functional, and refined. Every element is there for a reason. A wall-mounted commode seat saves space while remaining comfortable. A small integrated sink, a mirrored wall, and a compact shower area fit together efficiently without feeling cramped. There is no seating here, no unnecessary furniture. This is a true wet bath, designed for daily use. Warm ambient lighting softens the stone-like surfaces, removing any clinical feeling. The floor is fully visible, textured, and practical. Everything feels realistic and intentional. One of the most unique features of this motorhome is the inclusion of a small spa and wellness area. Designed carefully to fit the motorhome scale, this space offers a compact soaking tub and built-in bench seating. Soft lighting integrated into wall recesses and under seating creates a calm, spa-like atmosphere. It's not about luxury excess. It's about relaxation. When it comes to pricing, motorhomes like this operate in a different world. With custom engineering, two-floor architecture, premium materials, and bespoke interior design, pricing typically starts in the high six-figure range and can easily extend into seven figures depending on customization. But for the people who choose vehicles like this, the value isn't measured in numbers, that it's measured in freedom, privacy, comfort, and the ability to take your entire lifestyle with you wherever you go. Here's the real question. If you could live without fixed walls, wake up in a new place whenever you choose, and still enjoy comfort, calm, and control, would you choose a motorhome like this? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more luxury motorhomes and futuristic vehicles, and I'll see you in the next one.